Looking for Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, the new Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Film Camera. Retains the ease of use and attractive design elements of the extremely popular Instax Mini 8, while adding 5 new exciting colors and a couple of new features by ClearMax. Number 2, Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Film Camera. Bundle with Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film Twin Pack 20 sheets. Compact bag case, batteries and battery charger, another great product by ClearMax. Number 3, new selfie mirror, and new macro lens adapter for close-ups 35 cm to 50 cm. Automatic exposure measurement. The camera signals the recommended aperture setting with a flashing LED. This helps capture the perfect photo every time. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.